Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to block ads on Android. So if you want to block the ads on Android, there are various things that you can do. You can utilize the built-in features or install ad blocking applications or browsers. So if you want to use the built-in ad blocking feature, for that first of all launch open Google Chrome. You can see over here Google Chrome has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option settings. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Now what you have to do is simply navigate to the site settings. Over here you'll be able to find the option for site settings. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to the site settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Over here, you'll be able to find the section for content. You'll be able to find the options like third-party cookies, JavaScript, etc. Simply find the option for pop-ups and redirects and tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see over here pop-ups and redirects is toggled off. That means the sites are blocked from showing the pop-ups and redirects. If you allow it, you'll be able to see the ads. So make sure not to allow it. Now after doing that, what you have to do is go back. The changes will be saved. Now after doing that, the ads will be blocked on your Android. Additionally, you can also install the ad blocking browsers like Brave browser, Adblock browser, etc. You can also install the ad blocking applications like AdGuard, Blockada, AdAway, etc. from the Play Store. These applications and browsers will also help you to block the ads. The next thing that you can do is also opt for the DNS based ad blocking. For that, what you have to do is modify the DNS settings. So what you have to do is open the settings of your device. You can see over here the settings has been opened. You'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for network and internet and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the network and internet interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for private DNS and tap on it. Now you'll be able to find three options over here: off, auto, private DNS provider host name. Simply tap on the third option, private DNS provider host name. Now what you have to do is enter the host name of the DNS provider. So what you have to do is enter dns.adguard.com. Now tap on the option save. Now after doing that, DNS based ad blocking will be enabled and the ads will be blocked on your Android. So that is how you block ads on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.